Google's Pixel 10 lineup has a problem, and it's not the hardware. It's the software wall Google itself built. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. While Apple and Samsung battle over raw power and camera bragging rights, Google chose a different path, selling the Pixel as the ultimate software smartphone. Clean Android, smart AI, features that quietly make life easier. That was the promise, until it was not. The Pixel 10 family includes 4 phones: Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. All run the same near-stock Android experience and all use Google's Tensor G5 chip. Yet only the Pro models get some of the most interesting features, especially when it comes to calls and cameras. The Pro phones offer advanced call screening, automatic call notes, and smarter call logs, plus deeper camera controls, including full-resolution portrait shots and manual settings like ISO. The standard Pixel 10, it only has a 50-megapixel main camera and memory differences, but the gap isn't dramatic. The base Pixel 10 comes with 12 GB of RAM, while Pro models get 16 GB. That alone doesn't explain why software features are being withheld, especially when rivals offer similar tools on phones with less memory. This is where the strategy feels off. Apple and Samsung separate their models using hardware, better lenses, brighter displays, extra cameras, but they keep software same. The Pixel 10 Pro already justifies its higher price with superior cameras and a more premium design. Locking key software features behind a Pro label only frustrates the users. If Google wants the Pixel to remain the king of user experience, it better stop dividing the software. Let the hardware do the talking and let the Pixel name stand for smart, not restricted. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Pixel camera lovers were buzzing this week after Google quietly rolled out Pixel camera version 10.2, sparking confusion, rumors, and a lot of double-checking screens. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. At first, the update looked like it messed with one of the app's most used features, the quick setting sliders for brightness, shadows, and white balance. Everyone thought Google had shuffled the controls again, putting brightness and shadows back to their old positions, but it was not the case. Turns out, the change never really happened. The slider shuffle was only for Pixel 10 series at launch, not a universal update. On Pixel 10 phones, shadows appeared above brightness on the right-hand slider stack, which users found backwards and frustrating. But for every other Pixel phone like Pixel 9 models, brightness has always stayed on top, and version 10.2 doesn't change that at all. Yes, it's confusing. Google is running the same camera app across multiple Pixel phones, yet using different layouts depending on the device. That's why some users thought the update reversed it, when in reality nothing moved in the first place. BT, those quick access sliders only show up if you've enabled them. Tap the gear icon in the camera app, hit the 3-dot menu, and switch on quick access controls. They've been around since last year, even if many users missed them. So what does Pixel Camera 10.2 actually do? Honestly, not much. The update is mostly just bug fixes and stability improvements. So, no slider drama, no major upgrade, just another small Pixel tune-up. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates. Pixel owners are buzzing, and it's not just about new features. Your phone might actually feel brand new. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Go-to-Tech hub. Google's latest Android 16 QPR2 update for Pixel devices didn't just bring handy tools like the circle to search scam detector. It looks like it changed the device performance across the board. Reddit users are raving about smoother interactions, cooler operating temps, and battery life that feels noticeably longer. One happy user even claimed their Pixel feels like a brand new phone. This is a surprise, especially for Pixel 10 owners who have long complained that their flagship lagged behind competitors like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in raw performance. While Google's blog post didn't make a big deal about performance gains, the improvements are real and users are definitely noticing. So what's the secret behind the boost? The leading theory points to an update in Pixel's garbage collection system. By making memory management more efficient, the update reduces CPU load and helps devices run cooler while stretching battery life longer. Google's notes hint at this, but they don't spell out the full story, leaving Pixel users to piece together the improvements themselves. Even if the exact cause remains a mystery, the result is your Pixel feels faster, smoother, and more efficient, all without buying new hardware. Whether it's extended battery life, snappier animations, or less heat under load, this update is a must-install for anyone looking to squeeze more life out of their Pixel. And for those who are still waiting, it's time to hit update so your Pixel might just surprise you. Have you updated yet? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates. Google Pixel users, get ready because your phone might just feel brand new very soon. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for tech news. A mysterious November update is reportedly on the way, which offers fixes, performance boosts, and battery improvements that can make your device run smoother than ever. While Google hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, Verizon accidentally spilled the beans before quickly taking the post down, but thankfully, Droid Life caught it in time. This update isn't picky, and it'll cover every Pixel, from the 7a onward, and it's aimed at charging, battery life, and overall stability. Some annoying bugs are getting out, including issues that could block apps from loading or make webcam mode misbehave when connected to other devices. Even older Pixel models aren't being left behind. They'll get improved system stability and stop performance slowdowns that frustrated some users. Camera lovers might get a sweet bonus too. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 10 series are set to finally see a fix for the weird rainbowy colors that sometimes appear on ultra-wide and telephoto shots. No flashy new features here yet, but smoother performance and reliable cameras are exactly what every Pixel owner wants right now. And don't worry, there could still be surprises coming your way. Rumors hint to an upcoming Pixel feature drop with new theme packs, customization tools, and other goodies that could spice up your phone's look. Until Google makes it official, take this update lightly. But if Verizon's leaked changelog is right, your Pixel is about to get a serious glow up. It's the refresh your Pixel's been waiting for. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Google's next budget phone might already be here, and it's looking more deja vu than breakthrough. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. The long-awaited Google Pixel 10a has just got leaked, with full renders and specs spilling online. Fans are already wondering if this is just Pixel 9a again. At first look, the Pixel 10a is nearly identical to last year's model, with the same chunky oblong camera bar, same button and port layout, and the same no-frills design that most critics called ugly as sin. The only possible change are the slightly slimmer bezels, but even that's being argued. Warning, the real-life borders might be bigger than the ones shown in the renders. Inside the Pixel 10a is a boosted version of Google's Tensor G4 chip, offering a small increase in speed. In cameras, they're the same as before: a 48-megapixel main, 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and 13-megapixel selfie shooter. Nothing is increasing, yes, but the screen could shrink just a touch to 6.2 inches, down from 6.3, while the body might get a bit thicker. This could mean a bigger battery than the Pixel 9a's 5100 mAh cell. A brighter display is rumored too, but don't expect any major redesigns or groundbreaking features. Only thing saving this phone from disgrace is the price. Google plans to roll this out at $499, keeping it in true mid-range territory. The Pixel 10a is expected to land in early 2026, but if these leaks are true, fans might be better off grabbing a discounted 9a or wait for the Pixel 11. After all, this new phone might just be the same old Pixel in a slightly shinier box. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, drop a like, and comment what you think about this.